Just a quick update this morning, well rather this afternoon. This slot here is looking a hell of a lot better. I have changed the angle of the pipes and there's a bit more of a run and the water is flowing a lot faster, and that way we're giving the roots a bit more air. He's looking a little bit greener, so are those, and our strawberry's got a flower on it, so that's telling me that something's happening. This one's not yet got any flowers on, but that's cool. And this is definitely looking a lot better. But yeah, give it another couple of days and see what it is. The vitamin D and changing the flow has made a difference. But we'll keep you involved, keep you up to date. I've taken the other systems down because they're just too much at the moment.